Siempre tuviste carencia.
Sulema's mama? No, 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 no.
Sí, sí.
Sulema's mama. Mariana's mama.
Hermanita.
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 Hermanita. And we're outside in the kitchen having chicken, pollo.
Más fácil.
And this is
Abuelita.
two. This is Mariana's grandmother, who looks like a señorita. And
Tío. Zulema.
Sulema and Sukese. Sukese, her twin sister. And ¿cómo se llama?
Carlos.
Carlos. And Noel.
Noel.
And momento. Cynthia. Cynthia. And ¿cómo se llama? Nady. ¿Cómo se llama? Marisela. And ¿cómo se llama? Benita, the grandmother. ¿Cómo se llama? Emilio. Familia? Tío. De
Hermano de Jorge.
So that's our little group here. And I've got a little chair to sit in. I brought colas. And so we're going to have a little feast here. We've moved outside now from the kitchen and we're about to eat. Mariana's bringing me my black beans and in a moment my chicken. And here we have a pair of birds up here. I don't know what kind. They look like hawks maybe. And this is Mariana's backyard, which I guess maybe Karen and Mitch have already seen. And so here we are, about to eat lunch. A traditional Mayan lunch in the backyard, in the open air. Well, after we finished lunch at Mariana's house, I asked everybody if they wanted to go swimming, and all the children, of course, said yes. So we loaded the truck up with about 30 people in it and came out here, and now everybody is here and having a good time. And frankly, this is why I have a swimming pool. I love to hear the sound of children giggling, and I guess I do this 3 or 4 times a week if the kids want to come out and go swimming. It's amazing that kids can have so much fun doing so little. None of these kids swim, so they're either walking along the bottom or holding on to the side. But you would think that it was the Summer Olympics. They're all having a good time. Let's see, I think Mariana was in the pool, and Sukesa got in the pool but thought it was cold, and Sulema is afraid to get in because she says it's too cold.